Hi all, this is a video regarding school fees and payment for the school fees. Now the primary step is let me log in into our smart school application through the username and password, and you can see that on my screen I enter the username and password and now click on sign in button so that you are logged into our smart school applications. And here you can see the several modules. Now here click on configuration module so that the next screen has been redirected. Now click on free configurations. And now here you can see that academic year, presently we are in 2020 and 2021 academic year. And now here you can see the fee payment terms, and these are already created fee payment terms. And for us understanding, let us create new one. Now click on add new, and here you can see the term name, that which is nothing but the name given to paying the money. For example, let me take it as academic fee. Okay, and here you can see the default yes or no. Here you can select yes or else no. Nothing but if yes is taken, so that it can be applicable for all the students, and if it is no, it is for certain students. And now here click on add more button, and here you can pay the fee either in installment wise or at a time. It's based on the fee. And here let us take as installment wise, and the first installment name is, let us take the first installment. And here the due date is the last date for the payment of first installment, and let me take it as 31st October and click on OK button. And the term percentage is nothing but as I said that we can pay the fee as an installment. So per particular installment, how much amount of the money can be paid. For example, in the 100%, I would like to take 30% of the fee in the first installment. So let me put it as 30%. And tolerance is nothing but after the completion of due date, after the completion of due date, you can allow the student to pay the fee without the late fee. I will allow for at least 10 days. Now click on submit button, and here you can see the first installment, due date and the term percentage and also the tolerance. Now click on add more button so that you can create another installment. Like this, you can create number of installments depending upon your requirement. And like here I will select the due date as same. For example, let me take it as December 20. Click on OK button, and here I would like to take 40% of the fees, and the tolerance is, let me take as 10 again. Now here you can see the second installment along with first. And now click on add more, and here third installment, let us name it as third installment, and the due date is let us take as Feb 27th. Okay, fine. And now the amount of percentage that I add here is, already I said that 100% of the fee can be paid in installment wise. So here I would like to take 3 installment, so the fees has to complete within 3 installment. By this I want to pay the complete fee of the student. So here already in first installment I took 30%, and in second I took 40. So finally there is a remaining 30% of the fees, so I would like to pay the 30% here, and the tolerance is same as 30. And click on submit button, and here you can see the first, second, third installments along with due dates and also the term percentage, tolerance date. Now here click on save button so that it is going to save as an academic fee in the fee payment terms. So here you can see on that on 4th you have an academic fee. And okay, now click on school level. Here you will see the school level configurations. Like here you can see the IDs 1 2 3 and also the names of the fees like school fee, gym fee, and like this many. And scope is nothing but here it can be to the group of 5 students or a school or an individual. Here I think the school fees is for whole the school fee will be same. And also the gym fees, it's based on the individual, either it's depend upon the person who are willing to take or not, but the school fees is mandatory for all. So this is the scope. And the fee type, I think the school fees was applicable for all, so here let me take it as mandatory. Optional is nothing but it's an option, it's our wish, but mandatory is a school one. Okay, now let me click on OK button, so that here you can see the fees type. Our school fees is mandatory, and gym fees is it's an optional, it's depend upon the person. And the books fees also a mandatory thing, so that everyone should pay. And here I selected mandatory and click on update button, so it has been updated. And transport fee is nothing but the person may travel or not, it's depend upon others opinion, so it is optional. And sports is also optional. So by this way you can create the many features depending upon your school requirement. And if you want to create any features, now here you can see add more button, click on add more button, so that here you can see a box that which is having an add fee and name, nothing but the name of the fees. You can write here the name of the fees. And the scope is nothing but either these fees was applicable to whole school or applicable to whole grade, or it's an individual. And here you have to select an amount, the amount of uh, the amount that which have to pay for particular fees, here we have to mention. And I already told that optional or mandatory depending upon the fees requirement. If it is mandatory, click on mandatory, and if it is optional, click on optional. After the completion of these filling, click on submit button, so that here you can see the list of the fees we have created. Okay, now click on transport fee. Transport fee is nothing but the person who are so far from the school, they used to go by school buses, now they have to pay the fee for the transport. And here you can see the academic year and transport fees, and these are the already created transport fees. And for us information, let us create again new one. Now click on add new button, and here transport fee name, here you will get the three options: common slab, flat bus fee, and the route wise. Common slab is nothing but every person has a same fee, uh, whole the class or the school, every person has the same fee of transport fee. And now here the flat bus fee is nothing but it will depends upon the kilometers the person travel. If he travels more kilometers, he should pay the more fee, and if a person travels less kilometer, he has to pay the less fee. And next, route wise fee is nothing but the fees is applicable to the whole route. Like if a person is traveling in the same route, either he may be dropped first or he may reach to that place, but he has to pay the same fees. Now here let me take as route wise fees, sorry. And now charge type, and here you can see the two optionals based on the percentage and amount. It's our requirement. If you want to take as a percentage, let you select as a percentage, and now I am selecting here as amount. Okay, now scope, I already told that scope it may be applicable for school or grade or individual. And now amount, now here I would like to take 2000. And default values, if I click yes, these fees was directly attached to that our academic fees. If I put as no, it will ask for us either you want to add it to academic fees or not. Now here I am taking as no, and click on submit button, so that here you can see the route wise fees. Charge type is amount I took, and scope is school, and amount is 2000 I took, and default is fault. Okay, now this is the thing for transport fee. And late fee, late fee is nothing but I already told, after the tolerance the person who is paying the academic fees should pay along with the late fees. For example, let me create a new one, and here the late fees for book fees late. Okay, now the charge type is amount, and the amount I prefer is 200. Okay, now I already told the default values. the same thing is applicable here, and click on submit button. And here you can see the book fee late amount. Late fee amount was 200 rupees, and this is seen as a box type. And now grade level. Now grade level is nothing but you have to create a grade, and to that particular grade there will be a particular particular fee. For example, let us click on add grade. Now here let me take as 8th grade. Okay, now already the 8th grade was created. After that, now click on 8th grade so that here it can be seen. Now enable the pencil button. I mentioned that school fees and book fees are mandatory things, so they have already as displayed. Now you click on add more button. You can see the many things if you want to applicable. Okay, now click on grade 8 so that here you can see the fees, and if you want to add, click on add more button. If an extra fees, after the completion of it, you have to enable first it, and now click on save button so that the data has been saved. And now click on apply button, so it has been applied to the grade 8 students. So far we have seen how we can assign the fees for the particular grades, for the particular grades. Okay, now let me go back, okay, to our application fields. And now here you can see the academic fees. Click on it, and now select the grade 8th grade and A section. And here you can see the list of the students who are there in 8th class A section. And here you can see the student list. Now select the person, click on their names, and here on the left side corner you can see the student info and the primary contact info. And here you can add the more fees if this person is, for example, here you can see add more button. If the person is wanted to go to gym, and you can add the gym fee, and also if he is by transport, you can add the transport fee. And based on the persons you should add the transport or any fees. And now here you can select the payment mode. As I first created the academic fees, nothing but in academic fees I created 3 installments, so here these fees can be seen as the 3 installments. And now click on update button so that it is going to update. And now click on capture payment, and here you can see on the left side corner the first installment fees, second installment fees, and third, and based on the percentages that I have given. And here pay is nothing but the person who is paying the fee, either is a father or mother or a guardian, and here I am taking father, and the payment one is this one. And now click on process payment, and this is the receipt given by the school to a student that he has paid the first installment. Now click on done button so that it has been created the PDF. Thank you.